Hi, Ted Harrison Harris Puppets. Here I am with Eva George. Aren't they amazing? You know what that sound is? That's right. It's your pal, Morg Zero. Say, Morg, wanna play a game? Okay, look up, look down. Lob is the frying pan. Uh-oh, one foot out, go boom. Upsie daisy. Say, Morg, what's the matter? Why, no, you're hungry. Now I know what they like. Like, game shows hosts like Mrs. Hot Brothers cookies. Not only delicious, they're nutritious. That's good. Try with the Hot Brothers. Works for eat yummy Star Treats. That's right, yummy Star Treats. Your dog delicious children routine. With just a hit cheese.